Alright, what's up guys? I got a new motor and transmission for my 240. That one's completely toast. I'm just giving up on it. I don't want to work on the bottom end. This is the S14 ka. The difference between the S13 and S14, from what I understand, like from what I've seen on the forums and stuff, is a distributor, exhaust manifold, and a lower intake manifold. They're saying to switch it. I'm going to switch the distributor and the exhaust manifold because this exhaust manifold is bigger. About the lower intake, I couldn't really find why people switch it out. I really don't know why they do. I don't think I'm going to do that just to see what happens. I mean, if I need to switch it, I'm going to switch it later, like if it's not running right or something. The other difference I can spot is the fuel rail. It's a little different, and the coolant lines are right there instead of coming out from the back like the S13. Other than that, it looks pretty much the same. Oh yeah, obviously S14 doesn't have the little butterflies in there. I mean, I don't know why I would need to switch the intake manifolds. So I'm just gonna plop it in. That motor is already ready to be taken out, motor and trans. The only thing holding it together right now is the mounts, the motor mounts and transmission mounts. Other than that, it's ready to go. So this one, I heard it running. It's a good motor. We got 180 on the compression test, so on all 4 cylinders, so that's good. It comes with solid mounts, solid engine mounts, and solid transmission mounts. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty healthy, pretty good. Me and Zane both heard it run. So I'm not gonna show you like everything, all the small details and stuff. I'm just gonna show you guys me taking that motor and transmission out, putting this one in. Hopefully we can get it done today. It's kind of raining, so if it starts raining harder, I'm not gonna do it. Shouldn't be too hard, like I said, because I already have everything ready, and this isn't my first time pulling a motor. All right, so let's get started. Okay, motor's out, new motor's in. Zane came here to help a little late. Okay, sorry I couldn't film. It was literally raining really hard and the camera was getting wet.
Excuses.
Yeah, excuses. But as you can see, new one's in. Me and Zane are just finishing up the wiring really quickly. Doesn't look bad. Looks pretty good in there, doesn't it? So yeah, like I said, we switched the distributor over, the exhaust manifold. Right now I'm doing the power steering pump. Cross members lined up, so if you're ever wondering, the S14 cross member lines up with the S13, it does. So far the only difference is the map sensor, and that's it.
There's a couple different
wires
here and there on the S14K, but we're, I think, not worrying about it. We'll see. Might have to worry about it, might not.
I don't know.
There's a little more electrical on the S14Ks, but I don't think we got to worry about it.
Yeah.
Fuel lines are different.
Yeah.
Heater core lines are different. We just got to figure out which one is supply and which one's return.
I hate that thing. Gave me hell.
Anyone want a brand new KA head?
Yeah, you guys need a brand new KA head? The block is
dual cam,
trash.
Not single cam.
Okay, so hopefully we get to start it today.
Dude, you got a genuine Nissan oil filter too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
If I
haven't seen one of those since I worked in Nissan.
Jeez. If I don't get to start today, no big deal. I'm not worried about it.
No, we're gonna start it up.
We'll see, we'll see. We'll keep you guys updated as time goes on. Haven't been showing too much. It's really late, as you can see.
It's only 9:30. I
guess. The only thing that needs to be hooked up is the heater core lines, and that's it. Everything else is good to go. We got the injectors in there, exhaust manifold, grounds, wires, everything. Transmission, drive line.
Clutch
Yeah, clutch needs to be
I have most of it put together. I just got to get that last piece tightened on there.
Yeah, but let's see if this one starts. Let's get it on camera unlike the first one. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Everything's good. So if you guys plan on doing a S14K into a S13 ka, the only things you need to worry about is the exhaust manifold and the distributor.
If you're gonna stay with all your emissions bullshit, then intake.
Yeah, you can just switch the map sensor. You can use S14 intake manifold. I don't know why people said you can't. It starts up just
the only
fine.
thing I can think of is emissions. If you're gonna keep all your emissions shit, maybe if you live in Cali or something and need to keep all your emissions in the app, but we did fold emissions delete on this thing with that motor in it, and the guy that we bought this from did an emissions delete too, so I mean
it worked.
Yeah, I know the S14 intakes don't have the butterfly valves in them.
Yeah,
so I guess that's better.
But
I mean,
hey, I'm so happy. I mean, we'll see what our next content. What's gonna come up? Maybe it's gonna be me and Zane doing some drifting, but I don't know.
We'll go shredding for sure.
Yeah.
I still gotta do a bunch of shit to my car.
Yeah. Oh, lower control arms. That's coming up next. Control arms. Maybe a new motorcycle, but we'll see what happens.
Oh yeah, I'm getting a new bike tomorrow. So.
Sure.
New toys.
Yeah, new toys. I'm freaking shred with this now. Here, I'm gonna start it on camera because I started it. It's smoking at the exhaust manifold because we dropped some oils and stuff on it. Yeah, so it's smoking, but
should all burn off. There it is. He's a really smooth KA.
Yeah, it holds idle. I'm so happy. I'm pumped. Oh, dude, and I don't have to wait to break anything in because this is a used KA.
We haven't even changed the oil on it or anything.
Yeah, no.
It has oil in it.
So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting the engine in and having it run. So, yeah, we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
So.